What's up guys, in this video I want to talk a bit about tapered bevels. Now as most of you know, a taper is basically like an extrusion with a scale in on the face. So like this right here, this would be an extrusion and this would be a taper. That's basically all that is. And you can do the same thing with bevel. It's a bit different and you do need mesh machine to do this. I don't know of an easier way to do it in vanilla, otherwise I'd show you. But let's say I just take these edges here. You can also control Alt click to select similar edges like that, then Control Alt Shift click and we'll have this selection. I'm going to press Control B, give this a good amount of segments, and as you can see I have a simple bevel going around it, right? Now this is okay. The issue is it's kind of boring, and oftentimes these linear type of bevels with no sort of variation aren't that aesthetically pleasing, and you can make these a bit more improved by using a tapered bevel. Basically what we do is we select the set of vertices we want to taper, we go into Mesh Machine and go to the Unfuck tool. Yes, that's what it's called, but it literally does that, so it's useful. And then the outer ones won't get selected, so you have to actually select these and double tap G to slide these in. Let's get this one a bit closer. Right about here. And then we'll slide this one in. And basically what we have now is this nice little taper effect going, and you can see the edges start really nice and wide, then go into like a skinny formation there. And it just looks a bit more exciting, aesthetically pleasing, and overall just something you might want to consider depending on the situation. So that's about it. You can see the difference here. This is just linear, this is a bit more varied. And you might have these stretch marks right here, and to fix those you just add in some loops and that'll kind of clean it up. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Pretty useful trick. I'd recommend implementing it whenever you think a bevel looks kind of boring, because it might make the model pop a bit more. So that's it for today's video. Link to Mesh Machines in the description. I'd recommend getting it if you already have like the usual tools like Hard Ops and Box Cutter. Mesh Machines also a really good one. So that's about it guys. Thanks for watching.